Hey traders, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Quick update on end of week, first week of July. I actually opened the New Zealand dollar sell trade on the 27th of June, but it closed out on the on the 3rd of July. So this was a smaller position risk-wise, and the reason for that was that in May I got a bit too aggressive, so I dialed back June. And I took this trade in June, and as you can see, that's sort of the situation. So, look, we'll bring it up, and this is an end of week update. I didn't take any more trades, so leading into the tariff announcement, everything was pretty uneventful. The New Zealand dollar had some movement to it, but I was a little concerned going into it, because obviously it's hard to tell how the market responds. So I wanted to wait, and as you can see, the New Zealand dollar is heading into some recent resistance. So we'll monitor that closely for next week. Definitely, it is a potential buy trade, as well as the euro. Well, look at the euro quickly, so I just can't help myself. I had to work this morning. I was going to do this video a bit earlier, but yeah, I was monitoring the euro closely. So right here, I was like, when it did this, I thought it was already going to pull back, but it actually closed not too badly, considering the move that took place. So if we go to the 4 hour, we'll see 1.183 is the next resistance level. So this right here on the hourly, if we use the 20-day moving average as the stop, which I've done in testing, and we'd be looking for an entry. The high there is 1.76. So let's just mark this out. So that would be the start. The high up there, make that green. We'll make that blue actually. That's the entry. That blue, aqua. You can't really see that too well, can you? It's got a weird one. Navy blue. So that is in pips 40, pretty much. That's 40. It's 39.8. And then to the next level is 70. So we're getting more than 1-to-1. It's like 1 to 1.5. So that's valid for risk to reward. That's a valid little setup. Because that's 40 and that was 70. So there's some potential there. Again, it's going to have to work up to this high there of 1.76, and the stop will obviously be adjusted based on, if it could tighten up even more to like 30, that would be good, and then that's a healthier risk to reward. That's over 2-to-1, and ideally I aim for 2-to-1. So it's not like a grade A setup, to be honest. But anyway, let's go back to the New Zealand dollar. So I sold it here, the 27th, and it actually collapsed really nicely. This seems like a lot, but it's on the hourly chart. Like if I go here, it was around 120 odd pips. I think 150 would have been 4%, and then I could have locked in 2%. So I didn't quite do that. Obviously, the risk was minimal with the lot sizing there. Again, because I was just dialing it back just to get my confidence back a little bit. I was a little rattled, honestly, after I took quite a lot of trades and I was rattled. So I pumped the brakes a little bit. And don't be afraid to do that. Go back to the demo or really reduce the risk on the live account. And that's what I did. Really, actually, I should have gone to the demo account, but I didn't, but so that's that. When did it close out? I'll just highlight when it closed now. Using get the thumbs up again. Keep it a positive, guys. Keeping it positive. So the 3rd at about would have been here. That's where it closed out. So as you can see, and it's right back up to entry level. So I locked in a little bit of profit, but not at one point. It was like at $12. So 15 would have meant I could have moved the stop and locked in 10, but that's life, you know. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out. I had a great conversation with a gentleman yesterday, full-time trader from Melbourne. Hi, if you're watching. And again, guys, use the weekend as an opportunity to reflect on your trades, review things, update the journal, and keep developing on the backtesting software. Don't just go, oh, it's tough. You got to be adaptable, and you got to continue to learn and to just keep practicing, keep honing your skills and refining. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and bye for now.